Kriti Jain, pursuing Bachelor's of Journalism and Mass Communication from Chitkara University. So I have Dr. Alpna Pansal with me. So let her give a brief introduction herself.
So I am practicing gynecology since year 1995 and based in Ghaziabad since 2000. I've done my post-graduation in gynecology from KGMC Lucknow. I stayed in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 1 year and at Modinagar Modi Eye Hospital for 2.5 years.
So like overall, आप कितने time से हैं gynecology?
So you can calculate it is more than 30 years now.
So how was your experience like of these 30 years?
Difficult to explain like all the 30 years in such a short time, but yes, it was a good journey.
Okay, so like आपका इंटरेस्ट गायनोकॉलजी में पहले से था या फिर किसी चीज़ ने आपको मतलब गायनोकॉलजी में इंटरेस्ट बिठाया आपका इस फील्ड में?
See, the time when I did my MBBS, I entered MBBS in 1986. Okay, and I completed in 91. At that time, usually most of the girls they used to pursue gynae. If they had marks, good marks, they used to pursue gynae. Few of them they went to pediatrics or some other fields. And my own mommy, she is also a gynecologist. She might be an inspiration for me at that point of time.
So like आपके पास different women आती है different stages पे. So आप कैसे मैनेज करते हैं सबको?
So we are taught our subject, so we manage it accordingly.
Like कोई आपके पास periods के through आती है, कोई जैसे pregnant होती है उस time पे आती है, तो आप
So we are trained in gynecology, in obstetrics. If they are pregnant, we deal them with pregnancy, like whatever we have been taught about it. And if they come with any gynecological problem, we deal with them.
So like अभी 2 to 3 months पहले cervical cancer का वो बहुत चला था, न्यूज़ आया था.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
एक मतलब एक्ट्रेस ने कुछ किया था.
Yes, she created lots of awareness. Thanks to her, though that was not the right way to do it, but yes, she has really created a lot of awareness on cervical cancer.
So इसमें मतलब क्या main चीज़ है?
See, you should know if you want to know about cervical cancer. इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन कैंसर्स जो फीमेल्स में होते हैं, नंबर 1 इज़ ब्रेस्ट कैंसर एंड सेकेंड इज़ सर्वाइकल कैंसर. सर्वाइकल कैंसर हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विद आवर नेक. सर्वाइकल कैंसर बच्चेदानी के मुंह का कैंसर है. सो यू शुड नो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट. और इसके साथ में एक खास चीज़ ये है कि एक वायरस की वजह से होती है. Virus is HPV virus and there are hundreds of HPV virus, but few of them, 15-20 of them are responsible for causing cancer. So if it is a virus caused cancer, so we have vaccine against it. So vaccine preventable cancer, cervical cancer is vaccine preventable cancer, and if we vaccinate 9 to 15-year-old girls with cervical cancer vaccine, HPV vaccine, so we can prevent cervical cancer at a stage.
So मतलब इसके symptoms क्या होंगे? मतलब most of the girls को नहीं पता होंगे.
See, look, you don't need to know, the girls don't need to know the symptoms. Cervical cancer, if we talk about, it is a cancer which takes 10 to 20 years to develop. If you have HPV infection, that infection will take many years to develop into a cancer. And we can stop it at various stages. Like first of all, if we take vaccine, we will not get HPV infection, so we are prevented by that. And if at all we get HPV infection, we can treat it with simple methods so that we don't have to do major surgeries or radiotherapy, chemotherapy. We have measures which we can do on the cervix so that the cancer doesn't happen. And if at all cancer does occur, it has the symptoms are bleeding problems or abnormal discharge. So anytime, any female, if she has abnormal discharge or bleeding problem, she should consult it. And as it is, What is most important? When you have problem, you will go to the doctor, but it is important that you screen yourself when you don't have any problem. We can screen for cervical cancer before it really causes symptoms. We can do pap smear and HPV DNA testing, and that will tell us whether our cervix is infected with HPV virus or there are minor changes on the epithelium which can be cured at the earlier stage.
सो लाइक आपके पास नॉर्मल पेशेंट्स आते होंगे, ऐसे पेशेंट्स आते होंगे जिन्हें कुछ नहीं पता होगा, मतलब सारी प्रेगनेंसी के बारे में भी
हाँ, हाँ.
और इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में भी, तो आप उनसे कैसे डील करते हैं?
So we teach them.
पर बहुत कुछ समझ में नहीं आता कभी कभी.
आपकी गूगल आंटी है ना टीच करने के लिए, those who are educated, गूगल आंटी. Otherwise you have seniors at home, those who can't read and write, they will teach them.
एंड आपके पास ऐसे पेशेंट्स आते होंगे जिनके पास ट्रॉमाज होंगे, जैसे सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट टाइप्स, तो गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट के मतलब हिसाब से आप क्या मतलब कैसे उन्हें सेफ या कंफर्टेबल फील कराएंगे?
Usually in our private clinics we don't get females with sexual assault. Usually they go to the government. See, first of all, gynecology and obstetrics, it deals with all the health problems of a female. Female, even if she will not have a gynecological problem, any problem in her body, she will approach a gynecologist, because usually in this part of our area, gynecologists are mostly females. We have male gynecologists in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Calcutta, but in UP and around, most of the gynecologists are female. So females को कोई problem होगी तो female doctor के पास जाना. That is the first thing. So sometimes they don't have gynecological problem as it is, but we have to deal with the holistic problems. Even if they have any problem of any sort, we have to guide them to other specialties also, but they will first come to a gynecologist. And gynecologist, as per se, if we say, so any problem like if it is with uterus, any bleeding problem, any vaginal discharge problem, if you are not getting pregnant, if you are pregnant, if you don't want a baby, if you want a baby, so all these areas are covered by gynecologist and obstetrician.
सो इनके और कोई भी मतलब पार्ट्स होता है गायनोकोलॉजी के, मतलब डिफरेंट या फिर ऑब्स्टेट्रिक आप बोल रहे हो वही?
Gynecology, yes. Nowadays it has branched out to different subspecialties, you can say. Like we have specialists who have done gynae ops course, MD in gynae ops. Then they super specialize, they specialize into infertility. Like those doctors who will deal with only problems with patients who are not getting pregnant on their own. So that is infertility. And if we deal with cancers, gynae cancers, we have gynae oncologists. They will deal with gynae cancers. And some of them, they have specialized themselves into laparoscopy. So gynecologists who are doing mostly laparoscopic surgeries. So yes, there is branching out. Now these days we have aesthetics also. Like many oncologists, they deal with aesthetic part also. We have aesthetic clinics also. Really not in Ghaziabad, but we have people who are practicing geriatrics. So they will deal with menopausal problems and old age problems.
सो मतलब आप क्या अवेयरनेस वुमेन्स के थ्रू स्प्रेड करना चाहोगे एज अ गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट?
As a gynecologist, I will tell women, yes, you should always take care of your health properly. डॉक्टर को ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ प्रेगनेंसी में दिखाना है या कोई प्रॉब्लम होने पे दिखाना है. ऑलवेज लाइक द गर्ल्स हु आर गेटिंग मैरिड, who want to get married, should consult their doctors before they get married. You should have proper advice when do you want to plan your baby. Don't go for abortions, better not to. So plan your baby, तो उसके लिए कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन के लिए डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट करो. एंड प्री मैरिटल टेस्ट होते हैं, गो फॉर दीज टेस्ट सो दैट यू डोंट लैंड अप इन सम प्रॉब्लम्स. like thalassemia trait हो तो you don't have a thalassemia baby, तो उसी तरह से प्रेगनेंसी है, शादी है, वो सब मैनेज करने से पहले डॉक्टर से मिलो and take care of your health properly, do exercise properly, and come to a gynecologist whenever it is required.
Thank you all for watching, and I thank you for giving me your time. Keep watching Chitkara News.